The art of disappearing. Why your private growth is your greatest weapon. Today, I'll be focusing on mindset, discipline, and psychology. Act number 1, the disruption. Have you ever noticed that the loudest people in the room are often the ones making the least progress? We live in an era of performative success where people are more concerned with looking busy than actually being productive. But there's a different path, a path used by the top 1% of thinkers, creators, and leaders. Guess what that is called? It's called the darkroom phase. It's the period where you stop announcing. It's the period you stop posting. It's the period you stop seeking approval. And so today we're exploring the psychology of why disappearing is the only way to truly find yourself. The problem: every time you share a goal before you've achieved it, your brain releases a hit of satisfaction, right? A hit you didn't earn. This is known as social reality. Your brain confuses the praise you get for talking about a goal with the actual achievement of it. This is why so many people start projects but never finish. They've already eaten the dessert before the meal. If you want to break this cycle, you have to learn to embrace the silence. Act number 2, the deep dive, which is also what I call the pillar 1, the cost of accessibility. In 2026, focus is the rarest sources on earth. If you're always available to every text, every notification, and every request for your time, you are telling the world that your time is worth nothing. When you disappear for your work or your studies, you aren't being rude. You are setting a boundary with mediocrity. Think of your energy like a bank account. Every time you react to external noise, you're making a withdrawal. And so how much do you have left for your own dreams? Which brings us to pillar number 2, the psychology of a pervert. This is the moment you realize that your old habits no longer fit the person you are becoming. Many people fail here because they try to change while staying in the same environment. But psychology tells us that our environment often dictates our behavior. To change your life, you often have to change your scenery, or at least your mental scenery. This is why those 5 o'clock mornings or those late night sections in your home, your office are so vital. It's not just about the work, it's about the isolation that allows for original thought. Act number 3, the transformation, the action plan. So how do you disappear effectively? The rule of 3. Pick 3 areas of your life, maybe your career, your fitness, your mindset. For the next 90 days, these should be your priorities. The digital fast. Set no-fly zones for your phone. If you're working on a project, if you're working on your PhD or your business, that phone doesn't exist. Like mine making notifications now. Sorry, hold on. Let the results be the announcement. Commit to achieving one major milestone before you tell a single soul. The world doesn't need more people who are busy. It needs people who are intentional. When you finally resurface, you won't have to tell people you have changed. They will feel it. They really will feel it. And so, Your energy will be different. Your results will be undeniable. Remember, the sun is silent, but its presence is felt by everyone. Be like the sun. Focus, shine, and let your work speak for you. If you're ready to enter your darkroom phase, comment focused below in the comment section, because it's time to stop talking and start becoming. If this resonated with you, please like, always comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more insights. Thank you for staying this long. Thank you for listening, and thank you for watching.